Welcome to the third tutorial on Christian beliefs. We will look at the Incarnation, how the Incarnation is shown in the Bible, and the importance of the Incarnation for Christians today. The Incarnation means to take on flesh. God becomes a human being. Christians believe Jesus Christ is the Incarnation, the Son of God. In the Bible, Jesus' birth was predicted. Emmanuel means God with us. The Bible teaches God the Son came into the world to live among people, show them what God was like and enable them to have a relationship with Him. The Bible also describes the Incarnation as a great mystery, because there are aspects of it that are amazing and beyond human understanding. Christians believe Jesus came into the world to enable the relationship between God and humanity to be restored. The Incarnation is important because it allows Christians to have a relationship with God. They believe the Incarnation shows that God loves the world and the people in it, and they celebrate this at Christmas by singing carols and remembering the story of His birth. Christians also believe that, as a human, Jesus could understand humanity and its problems, and identify with people's suffering. In the exam, you might be asked to outline 3 Christian beliefs about the Incarnation, or to explain 2 reasons why the Incarnation is important for Christians. In summary, Christians believe that God came into the world as Jesus, a man. This is called the Incarnation. The purpose of the Incarnation was to enable humans to have a relationship with God.